किडयान सपनों की उड़ान।
Hello my little dear friends. Today's story is about a little boy named Dhruv. Dhruv never wanted to go to bed on time. His parents had explained to him how important it was to go to bed early and get a good rest. But Dhruv paid no attention to them, and they did not know what to do. That was until one weekend when they were visiting Dhruv's grandparents. Dhruv's Baba heard all about it and said, "This sounds like a job for Tubby, my pot-bellied cat." They loaded the cat onto the car and returned home. Tubby was a slow, inflated-looking kind of a cat. He wasn't much of a bother because most of the time no one knew where he was. That night, at bedtime, the same problem arose. Dhruv had no intention of going to bed, and even though his parents waited a while to see if Tubby would solve the problem, nothing happened.
Papa really does make up some nonsense,
said Dhruv's father.
I really think he's starting to lose it.
Hours later, Dhruv finally decided to go to bed. But what a surprise when he entered his bedroom. Tubby was in his bed, totally sprawled out, pot belly in the air, and snoring like an express train. Dhruv tried to shift the cat, but there was no way of moving him an inch. That night, he hardly slept a wink, being pushed over into one tiny corner of his bed. The next day, same thing happened. Dhruv could not sleep at all, and he was tired because he had not even slept the previous night. When the third day arrived, he had understood that if he wanted to sleep in his bed, he would have to get into it before Tubby did. That night, when his parents merely started hinting at the topic of bedtime, Dhruv shot upstairs like a bullet and dived into his bed. His parents could not believe it. They knew nothing about Tubby in the bed, nor did they understand why Dhruv went to bed on time without any complaint. They were so happy about this that they stayed up quite late celebrating it. But can you guess where Tubby slept that night? Keep guessing. So kids, hope you loved the story. More such stories are on your way. Tune into Kidyaan and keep listening.